Ya shaba mfethu, so bengiqothela kulo mfanekiso lona and umuntu nje angacinga uba umfanekiso nje lo, kanti no, lo mfanekiso unomlayezo nomlayezo wakhona uthi yebo impumelelo iza ngey'ndlela ey'ningi kanye nenkuthazo nayo iza ngey'ndlela ey'ningi. Jongana nangoku Coach Abdeslam Madu jima namajita, that tells you ukuthi he encourages amajita in every possible way. Celebrates ii-goals nabo, jima nabo, it's always with the gents. Imagine jima no-coach, surely you'll put your best foot forward, you'll bring your A game in every possible way. Yabo leyo nto, and vele kuthiwa indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Coach Abdeslam Madu is the right person for that. Akarithayela, akaziqhemanga ibhutsi kungekudala yabo, uyambona nawe sesi-in shape. So uma indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili, the guidance you get, the guidance amajita they get leads to success ngoba uCoach Abdeslam Madu uyayazi le ndlela kanye nemiphumela yabo, yabo. So good initiative by Coach Abdeslam Madu. We are in safe hands here.